Welcome you all my lecture series of C programming. In today's video we are going to see about the jump statement in C. In the previous video we have seen what are all the decision making statements in C program, that is a if else, nested if and if else later and switch case statement. Before going into the set of statements of jump statements in C, first we will see what is the jump statement. So the jump statement are used to jump from one part of program to altering normal flow of another part of program. So they are used to transfer the program control to somewhere else in the program. So there are the four types of jump statements. One is a break, continue, go to and return. Now we will see one by one with an example. So what is the break? So break, syntax of break is break followed by the semicolon. The break statement exits or terminates the loop or switch statement based on the certain condition. So without executing the remaining code, it will come out from the loop or switch case statement. That is the use of break statement. For example, consider the left hand side flow of execution. We are using the break mainly in the looping and switch case. Suppose you are using the break means the control is fully terminate the loop and switch cases and go to the outside of the loop and switch case statement flow. So this is the break. For example, consider in this for loop we are going to do the iteration of 1 to 10 until suppose when you reach I is equal to 6, you have to break the loop and you should that next statement of loop exited is should be executed. So whenever you using the break after I is equal to 6, the output of the above program is 1 2 3 4 5 is executed, printed, and finally the loop exited statement is executed and it should be come out from the loop. So the break terminates entirely the loop or switch case. So next is a continue. The syntax of continue is continue followed by the semicolon. So they used to skip the remaining code after the continue statement within the loop and jump to the next iteration of the loop. So this is the usage of continue statement. When the continue statement is encountered, the loop control immediately jumps to the next iteration by skipping the remaining code of the current iteration. So this is the description and usage of the continue. For example, consider in the previous program itself, when the I is equal to 2, you have to use the after that you are using continue mean it's skipping the current iteration and go to the next iteration of I is equal to 3. So that could be executed using the continue. Next is the go to. So the syntax of go to is go to space label and semicolon. Here the label is mentioned where you are going to go to the next flow. So after go to where we are going to go. That is used to jump to a specific point from anywhere in a function. So it is used to transfer the program control to the labeled statement within the same function. So wherever the label statement is there, that statement is executed. For example, consider this example. There is a find whether the given number is even or not. Suppose that number for finding that given number is even or not. So what is the statement should be there? The number and divided by 2, the remainder should be 0 means the number is an event. So that time where that statement go to even, that even we have a label that printf the given number is even, else go to odd. So in the odd we have the label statement is printf the number is odd. So this is the usage of go to statement. Next is a return statement. The return is used to terminate the execution of a function and return a value to the caller. It is commonly used to provide a result back to the calling code. So the syntax of return is return space expression. So mainly the return used in the function return the value to the calling code. So this is the use of return statement. I hope you will understand what are all the jump statement and what is the use of each jump statement with an example. Thank you.